Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all to our today's session once again. I hope so that you are getting well and well in thinking and having in the study and connection with the studies. So today we will go through understanding very important another mathematics. The mathematics roles is there are lots of mathematics. Now we are connecting in the biology. That is importantly I want to say very one important thing, that is the biological science is connecting with also the mathematics. So here we will try to understand. Suppose we will draw a figure here, and on the basis of that parts what will we do in this case. So here I write the C, a carbohydrate, then protein, then fat. Carbohydrate, protein and fat is going on there, and there is all total, suppose it is 500 gram, then protein we can write about the 700 gram, and fat we can be written here 150 gram. Okay, and what we actually going on through the carbohydrate, we'd gone on to the absorb 40%, and another one we can write there absorb 40% and non-used 60%. Absorb 40% and non-used 60%. Protein absorb 60%, then non-used 40%, fat absorb 10%, non-use 90%. So it can be a stem for having or knowing the possibility of that specific parts. So how can we try to draw on that specific case, and how can we draw this map? There can be asking a question. Yes, from 1 kg potato, find the total utilizing energy. Number 2, I can write here from the given protein, find the non-used amount of protein. Number 3, from the given fat, find utilizing and non-utilizing and non-utilizing energy. So dear student, look at here, very importantly we will try to understand about this one, very important math this one. It can be asking in your term exam also. Beside then we can understood that many of you are joining, and very good to see. Muntasirul Islam, Mahabub, Aisha, okay, Abrita, Benita, Afra, then Adib, Tahlil, Panna Mahmood, then Adib Asaf, Tawhida Farjana, Ramiza. All of you, very good morning and walaikum assalam everyone. Look at here. One of the very important mathematical problem I draw here. I will do for you only one and another two will be your SW task. This is our class topics today. So look at here, very first one, what we have seen there. Carbohydrate 500 gram in a box we have seen. Protein 700 gram in that box. Fat 150 gram. We got that. Three food stuff or nutrients are given there. Carbohydrate 500 gram, protein 700 gram and fat 150 gram. Absorb means who absorbed? Someone. Absorb 40% carbohydrate from there 500 gram. Since absorb 40%, so with the 100% another 60% is not used. Okay. Protein 700 gram. On that time somehow 60% absorb, okay, 60% absorb and 40% is non-absorbed, that means totally not used in here. Then fat, if it is the fat 150 gram, then 10% is absorbed totally and 90% is not absorbed. But our question asking here, what the important things in that types of question, that is from 1 kg potato find the utilizing energy. Find the utilizing energy. 1 kg, from 1 kg potato find the utilizing energy. 1 kg potato utilizing energy is important on that case. So how we will do this math? Now we will try to understand. Here 500 gram, okay, 500 gram of 40%. Very first time you will do it with the 40%, since utilizing energy means absorbed energy. On that case you can write about the total amount. In case of carbohydrate, we can say carbohydrate, what we see, 500 gram of 500 of 40%, 500 of 40%. So 500 of 40% means 5 into 40 divided by 100 normally. So what we see, he absorbed 200 gram carbohydrate absorbed there. But since here given 500 gram and our question asking for 1000 gram potato, so if from 500 gram 200 gram is absorbed, okay, so in 1 kg or 1000 gram, from 500 gram absorb or utilize, absorb 200 gram, 1 gram absorb 200 divided by 500 gram, 1000 gram absorb 200 into 1000 divided by 500 means what we say 400 gram. 400 gram. Now it is absorbed 400 gram. Look at here. So what we have written there, that is from 500 gram absorbed 200 gram, 1 gram absorbed 200 by 500 gram and 1000 gram, that means 1 kg. Since 1 kg potato it is got by someone, so from 1000 gram absorb 400 gram. Now it is very easy for doing the math. Since we got, now I write here 1 gram carbohydrate, we got the 4 calorie energy, okay. Then 400 gram carbohydrate, 400 into 4, that means 1600 calorie. My dear student, another one thing I want to say importantly, that is one of the important thing, look at here, very important. Another one thing is in class 8 you learn, I told you in class when I did this type of sum, very simple sum, I told you 1 gram carbohydrate can ensure the energy of 4 kilocalorie on that times, but it is not kilocalorie. Now you will get the real things, it is calorie. I told on class 8 also, that means 1 gram carbohydrate 4 calorie, not kilocalorie. Okay, 4 calorie energy. So 400 gram 1600 calorie energy absorbed. Okay, I gave you absorb, but non-use you can also similar way, you can do the similar way, similar math. Okay, in this way easily you can do this one. Okay, similar way you can do that one. In which way, what we say here, we can understood about that how can we minimize this one with the specific time in a specific case. Carbohydrate 500 gram absorb 40%, non-used 60%. If it is asking for non-used energy, so on that way you can carbohydrate 500 gram of non-used 60%, then what amount, then 500 gram out of 500 gram 200 gram is non-used, or like that amount 1 gram 1000 gram. In this way you can do the math. So this is very important one. In this way the math can become, okay, mathematical problem can also be asking in this way. So you must understand about this type of math. In this way you can easily go on through. By the way, I make you understand absorbed. Second one, from the given protein find the non-used amount of protein. Similar way we will do. Out of 700 gram there is not enough, there is 500 gram in carbohydrate but 1 kg potato we use, but in case of the protein there is 700 gram of protein and directly use the 700. That means non-used 700 of 40%, 700 of 40%, that means how many amount, and 1 gram protein produce can 4 calorie energy, and so what is the non-use, that amount can utilize that one, so that one will be non-used energy. Similar way you can do this one. From the given fat find the utilizing and non-utilizing energy. It is also importantly asking for in the exam, so which way you will try to understand in this time. So this is the very important one. And how can we minimize this one? Just given value, try to find out absorbed energy and non-used energy. One is the absorbed energy and another one is the non-used energy. So which one is we will follow that specific parts, that is very important. And absorbed energy is what amount and non-used energy is what amount, and given part, and also a stem can connect these given or more than that. We will convert that one with this one. I think you can easily get this one and easily understand this one. The topics of today, what we discuss here, the mathematical problem, in the biology there is a mathematical problem, mathematical calculation, mathematical equation is cannot be think about that. In biology there is no mathematics. Biology is full of the detailed study, lots of information about detail of the plant, detail of the animals, everything, and very tough to remember. But in them also the mathematics, and not only this one, there are BMI and BMR related mathematics is also be there here. So BMI and BMR related mathematics can also be solved by those way we can easily understand. Okay, we will understand on that time. You will try to understand which way we will learn from the each and every topics. So my dear students, I hope so you understand the first one, given item absorb or non-use, utilize. So carbohydrate 500 gram of 40%, we find out that 200 gram out of 40% absorb. So 500 gram absorb 200 gram, 1 gram, and out of 1000 gram 400 gram absorb. 1 gram carbohydrate 4 calorie, 400 gram carbohydrate 1600 calorie energy. If it is converted into joule, you can match the relation with them also, 4.2. So on it is that's all about today. Question number 1 I solved, and 2 and 3 for your SW. and after doing the SW, you will submit your SW below the comment box, not in Messenger, in the comment box. Everyone, do the math, do the everything, because corona pandemic, though it is now look like weak, not weak actually, we are not connecting properly face to face each other, so this will be very important for you to take a study at home. Allah Hafiz, stay safe.